So, guess what, people? We're at Disney World.
Hello.
Today, first day of Disney, day one. We are at Hollywood Studios. I hope you guys can see me. I'm in the sun.
Dear, how do we get to the side?
I have no idea. I am a tourist just like you. So we're going to have a grand old time. We're going to see some things, ride some rides. You guys are going to enjoy the entire
first one is Frozen.
weekend with us. We're here for 4 days for London's birthday.
Is tight.
We just went our first attraction, which was the, what was it? The Little Mermaid? Some Little Mermaid expedition. What was the name of it?
I forgot. Why don't you try dumping it?
Alright, but we're waiting for next, right there, is the Frozen sing-along, which we have next. So far so good. Kids are doing so well. London got, Casey was a little scared towards the end of the show, but he toughed it out, which was good. So far, only thing I have to say is, with all the money that Disney makes, they have to do a better job on their Disney My Experience app. That app is terrible. It barely works. It's just frustrating. Alright, so both London and Casey just went on their first ride. We went on like those shows before. That was a ride. How'd you do, Casey?
We did pretty good.
You liked the ride? When it was done? Because he lost probably. Alright, so we're leaving Hollywood Studios. We had a good old time. It was a pretty small park, so you know, it was a good park to go to after driving all the way down here. So, you know, a lot more seeing than actually doing from my experience right now. The Frozen sing-along, I definitely recommend it. It's exactly what it says. It's a Frozen sing-along, but they got two actors, well, actor and actress, that made it very entertaining. A lot of the jokes are directed towards parents, so you guys will find it fun and amusing. I do also recommend the Little Mermaid experience. It was quick, only lasted about 10 minutes, but I will say this, if you have little ones that are sensitive to noise like Kason and cranky, you probably don't want to take them in there because it's a little loud. But here's clips from Frozen sing-along. I'm not going to show too many because I don't want to spoil the surprise for you guys, but there you go.
You are jumping ahead again. Back it up. Yes. Elsa hit Anna with her magical powers, freezing her head.
Usher to the trolls. If you don't know what a troll is, you're lucky. They are mischievous creatures. They have weird magic, and I never liked them. Because one of them rolled over my toe, and it went wee, wee, wee all the way home.
Focus, Eric, focus. Grandpappy, the king of the trolls, fixed Anna's head, though he removed all memories of magic.
We used to be best buddies, but now we're not. I wish you would tell me why.
Found herself dreaming of the possibilities of, oh, I got it. of opening the castle gates for the first time in forever. It's Coronation Day.
It's Coronation Day.
And that is us wrapping up our first day. Tomorrow, I think we go to where? Animal Kingdom? Animal Kingdom tomorrow. It's still early. We might go and come back, depending on how things go. But the kids are cranky. It's time to rest, eat, check in, and go about the day. See you next time.